One of the other hobbies of me is gardening. And here you see the garlic that was planted in December 2023. And the good thing of that garlic is that even when it is very, very cold, it grows very good. And when I harvest it, there must be, of course, here, say, a certain bolletje, bulb. Let me try to push one out. And when it is okay, there is a, no, not so much here regarding, say, the cloves. There are no cloves, but it takes some time. Anyway, there are here potatoes growing. I have, say, planted them in a very, very early stage when it was still cold in the Netherlands. This is my piggy, by the way. And here is the garden dwerg. Anyway, so but they grow, and there has not been a lot of, say, cold weather during the past months. Here I have thrown some seeds of celery. These are onions that I also planted in, say, a very early stage in the Netherlands when it was still cold. No problems with them, they sprout perfectly. Here there's dill, replanted it out of, say, kind of seed box. Here again potatoes. So this is more or less all to tell because it's very early in the season. Here again potatoes. They were, say, normal potatoes for consumption. When they sprout out, you can plant them. Of course, say, when frost comes, it's not okay. The whole, say, plant will be damaged, etc., etc. Here celery, and here also something for the kitchen. Anyway, and here thyme. And these are the first plants of paprika. Though it is now on 29 April 2004 in the Netherlands, perhaps somewhat too cold for them, but this is a first try. I have quite a few of them on stock, etc. And these were tomatoes. I think they were planted far too early, but anyway, the leaves are damaged by cold, by insects, etc., etc. So, thanks for watching. Some overview here. Well, that was more or less all to tell.